I believe that technology is very important to the classroom. I believe that technology, although it does have an importance in the classroom, I believe that it needs to be supported by good pedagogical approaches, and then the technology needs to be assisting and furthering those already established pedagogical approaches. Because I believe this, I know that it's super important to be on the lookout for ways that I can grow and ways that I can find good pedagogical approaches. Because of this, I often look on Twitter for articles from reliable sources about new and enhanced pedagogical approaches, or even old pedagogical approaches that they're just writing a new article on. I also believe that it's super important as a teacher to set goals and to reflect on those goals. And so because of that, whenever I use a new learning management system or a new app, I use some sort of reference to reflect on how the app performs or how the learning management performs based on my goals. So for example, if I were to use Canvas in my classroom, one of my goals would be that my students would be able to access their homework online while they're at home or when they're not directly in the classroom, and that they would be able to review what we learned in class in case they've forgotten. So in order to review this, I would ask myself questions to see if the learning management system has done that. Or, for example, if I was using a new app, I would use a new app and then practice, play around on it a little bit, and then use questions that reflect on things such as engagement, whether it's furthering pedagogical approaches, or if it's just something that's going to help my kids rather than hinder my kids, because that's something that you would never want from your technology.